What's up, everybody? This is Sean Woolslegel coming at you from Sean Woolslegel Cybersecurity. And tonight we're going to go ahead and go through the Intro to Offensive Security path under TryHackMe. Specifically, we are in the Junior Penetration Tester path, which you can get to by going out to Learn, going to Junior Penetration Tester, and from here we can get into our path. Now, I've already done quite a lot of this. At least I've done the Intro to Cybersecurity, Intro to Pen Testing, and Intro to Web Hacking, and I'm on Burp Suite. However, for you lovely folks, I'm going to go ahead and get into Intro to Offensive Security, starting this over and showing you all the ropes on how this is. Or you might already know the ropes, and that's fine too. And I appreciate you watching my video if you already know the ropes. In short, offensive security is the process of breaking into computer systems, exploiting software bugs, and finding loopholes in applications to gain unauthorized access to them. To beat a hacker, you need to behave like a hacker, finding vulnerabilities and recommending patches before a cybercriminal does, as you'll do in this room. On the flip side, there is also defensive security, which is the process of protecting an organization's network and computer systems by analyzing and securing any potential digital threats. Learn more in the digital forensics room. In a defensive cyber role, you would be investigating infected computers or devices to understand how it is hacked, tracking down cybercriminals, or monitoring infrastructure for malicious activity. And that is what I do. I am a cybersecurity engineer. I focus on the defensive side of things, and I'm trying to make the switch to red team, or at least introduce some more red team concepts into what I do. And the question here is, which of the following options better represent the process where you simulate a hacker's actions to find vulnerabilities in the system? And the answer is offensive security. So, your first hack. Before going into cybersecurity careers and what offensive security is, let's get you hacking. And yes, it's legal. All exercises are fake simulations. Your first hack. Click the Start Machine button. Okay? Once loaded in split view in your browser, you will have access to a machine you'll use to hack a fake bank application called Fake Bank. If you don't see the machine appear, use the blue Show Split View button on the top right of this page. We will use a command line application called GoBuster to brute force Fake Bank's website to find hidden directories and pages. GoBuster will take a list of potential page or directory names and tries accessing a website with each of them. If the page exists, it tells you. Step 1, open a terminal. So we have to wait for the machine to load, and thanks to the magic of computers and editing, all you have to do is keep on watching and it'll be there. Okay, so step 2, find hidden website pages. Most companies will have an admin portal page giving their staff access to basic admin controls for day-to-day operations. For a bank, an employer might need to transfer money to and from client accounts. Often these pages are not made private, allowing attackers to find pages that show or give access to admin controls or sensitive data. Type the following command into the terminal to find potentially hidden pages on Fake Bank's website using GoBuster, a command line security application. So here we have the terminal. I'll open it up. And just like TryHackMe tells me to do, I'm going to go ahead and type this command in here. So GoBuster -u http, not https, fakebank.com -w for wordlist dir for directory. And it's going to do its thing here. And then we're going to find out if there's anything hidden. Well, it should be hidden, but not hidden to us, thanks to the magic of GoBuster. So, in the command above, -u is used to state the website we're scanning, and -w takes a list of words to iterate through to find hidden pages. You will see that GoBuster scans the website with each word in the list, finding pages that exist on the site. GoBuster will have told you the pages it found in the list of page directory names, indicated by a status 200, right here. Step 3, hack the bank. You should have found a secret bank transfer page that allows you to transfer money between accounts at the bank. Bank transfer. Type the hidden page into the Fake Bank website on the machine. Okay. So let's do that. So it's /bank-transfer. Okay. Step 3. This page allows an attacker to steal money from any bank account, which is a critical risk for the bank. As an ethical hacker, you would, with permission, find vulnerabilities in their application and report them to the bank to fix before a hacker exploits them. Transfer $2,000 from the bank account 2276 to your account 8881. So from 2276 to 8881, send 2,000. Not 2,000. Send money. Cool. $2,000 richer. I would never do that. And we got it back, which is we got our flag, which is bank hacked. That's great. If you were a penetration tester or security consultant, this is an exercise you'd perform for companies to test for vulnerabilities in their web applications. Find hidden pages to investigate for vulnerabilities. So we would do that, but just for sake of time for this video, we're just going to go ahead and continue on with the room. And if you go ahead and do this, feel free to go ahead and look for more hidden pages, and you might come thing. Terminate the machine by clicking the red terminate button at the top of the page. Okay. One last part, task 3. How can I start learning? People often wonder how others become hackers, security consultants or defenders, security analysts fighting cybercrime, and the answer is simple. Break it down. Learn an area of cybersecurity you're interested in, and regularly practice using hands-on exercises. Build a habit of learning a little bit each day on TryHackMe, and you'll acquire the knowledge to get your first job in the industry. Trust us, you can do it. Just look at some of the people who have used TryHackMe to get their first security job. I can attest to this. I went from an okay cybersecurity knowledgeable person after having a 4-year degree to being pretty good at what I do. And I won't say I'm the best. I'm definitely not. I have some knowledge under my belt, but I just don't rule like that. I have humility to me. But I do have to say that this is a huge help. TryHackMe is great, and so is Hack2Box. I highly recommend them. So anyway, what careers are there? The cyber careers room goes into more depth about the different careers in cyber. However, here's a short description of a few offensive security roles. Penetration tester, responsible for testing technology products for finding exploitable security vulnerabilities. Red teamer, plays the role of an adversary attacking an organization and providing feedback from an enemy's perspective. And a security engineer, who designs, monitors, and maintains security controls, network, and systems to help prevent cyber attacks. And that's it. So anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.